Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable ifax preview on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, let's head over to the menu. Now let's go to the function settings, and here let's click on receive and forward. Now I'll click on the common settings, and now we're gonna go into the set fax ifax inbox, go to memory lock settings, and here we will have our use fax preview. So what we want to do with it is we want to enable it, and now let's click on apply. And as you guys can see, now this setting is applied. So that's basically it. Now if you want to disable it, let's just click here and click on apply. And that's how you guys can do that. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.